What are you doing? Benjamin. What are you doing? Your boobies look small. Well, you know, I'm not a plastic surgeon, so I couldn't make them equal. You are terrible. What are you doing, Tyler? Ryan! Ocean girl.
Alright. Out of
the giant escapes. You're a whole different color. You're a sexy tan. Love that tan.
You know, I've worked on it for about 20 minutes.
Yeah, that's hot. That's hot.
Fucking tan was big.
Not quite even, but it's hot.
Hey, listen here. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Okay? Hot.
Alright, player.
Don't be mad because my boobies is bigger than yours.
No, mine look quite bigger than yours. I'm gonna need that to be saying. Because you on video, I believe you got to be showing people.
That is insane.
Run, do your Baywatch run. Go, baby, go! Hi, Ryan. What are you doing? You playing the sand? Baywatch, babe. Now you gotta do the whole Baywatch walking out the water. Come on. Make sure your chest is glittering. Come on. And this ain't disappear. Toss your head. Come on, we're in the movie. Ow! There you go. Alright, take two. Toss it. You are retarded.
I'll save you.
You are silly.